few months ago, I stood in this exact spot and the construction was barely done. Ditches in the ground, iron rods, and dust. And this was the only idea of what it was supposed to become. Today, Melanie and I are back, and I want to show you an update on this custom built house in Mendoza, Argentina. It's almost done.
So welcome back. We're here in Maipú, which is an area, a district, a department of Mendoza. It is southern, and this is a gated community. So we came here 7, 8 weeks ago, and we saw the project as it was starting. So we dug into the earth and start planting all the iron sticks to make sure that the house will be very solid and stable. But now, 7, 8 weeks later, with 5, 6 workers per day, you can see the transformation and how the house grew and all this time.
Apart from the furnitures, what's left before someone can actually move in?
Besides the furniture that you will have to bring, what we need to finish is all the flooring, the ceilings, the piping, electricity to make sure that you have all the services. And then we will put all the walls and will be painted. And as well, the front will also be finished and painted. This will be covered with grass and you will have a nice sidewalk that will bring you to your house. They will install as well as the cabinets, the bathroom, all the facility, everything that you might need for the bathroom, the shower. And so the house will be finished just for you to come in and put your furniture, like your couch, beds, but the rest will be there for you to start living here. And this house, it is customized as per your needs, as per your budget. If you need 2 or 3 bedrooms, this is customized for you. And where you want the bedrooms to be, the bathroom, or if you want to have 2 bathrooms and 1 powder room, or if you want just 1 powder room and 1 bathroom, this is customized as per your needs and your family's needs. So yes, if you want some decoration or something special, everything can be spoken ahead and we can customize it for you. So we can have different colors or we can have different type of materials, different type of cabinets or colors of the counters. So everything is customized for you according to your taste.
So this is how your neighborhood will look like. Most of them are under construction, but you can see here that this is the furnished one already.
Follow me. I'm going to show you inside of the house. This is a 135 square meter house. So this will be your main entrance. Here will be your main door. Here it would be, if you come with me, be careful, be your kitchen here with a big window, a large window, so you have a lot of lighting coming from the outside. And here will be your living room and this side. This would be a sliding door bringing you to the garden in the backyard, all with green grass. So you have to be patient. Now we have nothing but the future. So we continue. This would be 1 powder room here. So this house has 1 powder room, 2 bathrooms. This would be 1 bedroom on this side. For 1 children or an office room. And here will be a bathroom, a complete, oh no, this is the laundry room. Excuse me. I know it's complicated to see it, but this will be a laundry room. Here will be a complete bathroom. Here we have the shower and the bidet as well that is included. Here you have another bedroom. And this would be a bedroom with the sliding doors that will bring you to the garden. This would be for us children as well, for family, for guests, or an office room. And then this will be your master bedroom. Again, sliding doors that will bring you to the backyard. Here will be your closet. On this side, you will have furniture, and the other side as well, furniture for wife and husband. Your ensuite bathroom. Here's as always a window, so you have lighting coming from outside. So that will be a house with 3 bedrooms and 2 complete bathrooms, 1 powder room, 135 square meter, and the lot is 300 square meter. So you have all the furniture means that you have also the closets inside of the bedrooms. Each one of the bedrooms have closets, and everything is equipped. In the kitchen, there will be counter with marble, and you will have a counter as well for the breakfast in marble. The ceilings are approximately 11 to 13 feet height, so you have it. It feels very big because it feels like voluminous because it's very high. Okay, let's go see the backyard. Follow me from here and pretend this is your bedroom. And this would be your door, sliding door. And here it will be your garden. You will have la parrilla for the barbecue area. And that would be the garage for 2 cars, one in front of the other one.
If you've been thinking about putting real roots somewhere in Argentina instead of renting forever, this is one of the most realistic paths I've seen to actually owning something that's personally yours. More details are in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.